This review is of Guittard Extra Dark Chocolate Baking Chips. They're 63% cacao parve, so they're safe for Jews and Muslims in that respect. Free from peanuts, tree nuts, and gluten. Non-GMO, fair trade certified cocoa, 63% fair trade certified ingredients. Oh, okay. Cultivate better, prospering farmers, thriving communities, preserving the environment. Oh, okay. Well, sounds like they're working on helping the environment. That would be nice. Let's see. 100% real chocolate means you're eating only a few simple ingredients, mainly cacao beans and cane sugar. Nothing artificial, everything real. And there is a double dark chocolate cookie recipe and a truffle brownies recipe. Ooh, don't those sound lovely? It uses sunflower lecithin instead of soy lecithin. It uses real vanilla. And so here are the two recipes. And the nutrition facts. 80 calories per 30 pieces. 5 grams of fat, of which 3 are saturated. That's a little bit on the high side for a dark for a chocolate. No trans fats or cholesterols or sodium. 8 grams of carbs, of which 3 are dietary fiber. So there's a net of only 5 grams of carbs per 30 pieces. 6 grams of sugar, of which 5 are added, and 1 gram of protein. Now, I'm a little bit confused. If there are 8 total carbs and 3 of them are dietary fiber, that leaves 5, and yet there are sugars, the total sugars are 6, so that's kind of impossible. It can't be 6 and 8. It's one of these numbers is wrong somehow, or I'm just stupid, which is equally possible. And there are the ingredients. All right. Hold on. So it actually smells pretty nice. I've had these for a while, so the color's off, but they're still okay. Guittard is a good brand. These are quite nice. I'll give these an 8. They're very good. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.